Today I'm going to show you how I get my lashes to look like I'm wearing lash extensions. These are the lashes. I got them at the drugstore or from Walmart. They're Falscara from the brand Kiss. Very important that they are lengthening wisps because they have different types. These are my favorite. This is a refill box. They do sell them as a kit that comes with a pair of tweezers and I believe they're glue. Step number one, I'm going to apply the bond on my lashes. It looks like black mascara, but it is a glue. I do it one eye at a time just because I don't want it to dry completely on the other eye by the time I get to it. So I just make sure that I get all of the lashes with just a little bit of this glue. They come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and long. I'm gonna start by grabbing a long one and then I pick it up with the tweezers because they go under our lashes. I'm going to skip the lashes that are at the very outer corner because it gives you a more lifted look if you don't put lashes there, because if you do put lashes there, they kind of like could make your eyes seem a little droopy. Just trial and error. Now I took a medium one. Let me grab it with my tweezers. Try to overlap them a little bit so that there's no way that you see a gap between each cluster of lashes. It's better if you overlap them a little bit. Another medium. Another medium. Okay, so this one, I put it in crooked. That's okay. Let's just unglue it. Sometimes I like to just get it here from the base of the lashes and pull it. There we go. This last one is a short one. And that's it. Now if you want to, you could get another short one, cut it in half and maybe glue it here in the inner, because we still have a few natural lashes hanging out here. Actually, I am going to get a short one and cut it in half so that I can glue it to those inner natural lashes. All right, here we go. Putting in the final one, which is just a half lash. And I'm glad I did. This looks better. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, you cannot see any lash band because there is none. Here they are from the side. And this is what both eyes look like with the lashes. What do you think? I love them. I think that these are my favorite out of all lashes. I do have a tip. If you did get the kit that came with their tweezers and you found it really annoying that when you place the clusters on your lashes and you're trying to remove the tweezers, you're trying to pull away, the clusters remain stuck to the tweezers, you're gonna want to buy these tweezers. Are my favorite from Lashify because they come with this like plastic sleeve and the lashes won't stick to it. So this is like a rubber that really I think makes these tweezers superior when it comes to the application. But if you only wear them once in a while, then you can make do with these. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.